Good morning and welcome. It's the 31st of May, and I'd just like to say thank you for the subscriptions and the likes, much appreciated. And we'll start off with the AUD/USD. We got a little bit of a red candle come up this morning. I am expecting this to pop up a little bit, maybe to about the 75.50 mark. It's not showing much signs of it at the moment, so we'll see what happens later in the week. Euro US dollar just got a little bit of a red candle this morning. I am waiting for the euro to short. I reckon when this does short, will come down big time. It had 35,000 extra shorts added this week, and that'll be the same through all our euro pairs. We're expecting the gap here to fill. So here we go. Euro JPY. We've just got a little bit of a red candle this morning. This trade here, I've pulled my stops down on the trades at the top here, so I've actually entered another short just here. It's quite large as well, so I am a little bit top heavy on that one. Euro New Zealand dollar. This is the one I got out of taking a loss and put my money into the Euro JPY, and this would have been a better horse to have backed. Oh dear. I'm expecting it to come down and close the gap down here. It's doing quite nicely for me at the moment. Pound USD. The pound has shorted this morning. It's coming down onto support here. It has sort of been flagging across. It looked a little suspiciously like it was going to long, but this has shorted this morning. I think it might just break the support. I'm expecting it to go down maybe to this support down here, but we will see what happens. There was nearly 9,000 more shorts added. It is at quite an extreme short position on the pound. S&P 500. This is the weekly chart, and we've got the diversion here on the S&P between the RSI and the candle chart. And if I go on to the daily, we had a little bit of a red candle yesterday. I'd love to see this crash and burn. I really would. It came down about a week ago and closed the gap here. So you know, I really would like to see this come down, crash and burn, but we'll see what will happen. USD JPY, little bit of sideways movement. I was expecting this to pop up maybe to the 112.50 mark, and I would have put my short back in. I took about 300 pips out just over a week ago, so we'll just see what happens with that. Euro CAD. This should be quite a nice trade short. We've had the divergence here on the RSI. The RSI is heading down towards the 50 mark. You know, as long as it keeps below the 69.1, it is just sideways movement. But again, it should come down and close the gap. USD Mexican peso. We had a nice green candle on this yesterday. I think that was more weakness on the peso rather than strength in the dollar, although we have seen a little bit of strength in the dollar the last few days. Long may that continue, because I've got very heavy swaps on that. USD CAD, not really done a lot this week. We're about at even Stevens this morning. We had 2,000 long positions added to the CAD. So we have seen that the price of the oil has actually dropped over the last couple of days, and I think we are in a downward trend on that. So you know, I think that this is going to go up. I saw the 134 mark support here as about the bottom. silver, I actually added a trade last night to this, so I now have 2 trades short, and I've got a small red candle there. We've broken the trend line on the RSI. I would have preferred this turning to have been higher on the RSI, would have been a stronger signal, but I think that's going down. We'll see what happens. Oil, I took a trade yesterday. I got out at this turquoise line. It bounced back a little bit. I've got back in, and I would like to see this come down. It is now just below the 50 on the RSI. So that's it for today. Oh, hang on a minute. We're just pound New Zealand dollar. That's actually broken the support from yesterday, and it's actually come below the support. I think this is going to continue and go down onto this major support, which is you've got turning points. That's a turning point there, yeah, a little bit there maybe, but anyway, that's a turning point. I think this is going to be support, and we'll look on Friday at the commitment of traders and see if we're looking to long this, because that would be quite a nice long if it goes back up. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, much appreciated, and hopefully see you all again tomorrow. Cheers, bye.